What gives you a sense of Portsmouth, New Hampshire? Is it the feeling of the cool breeze while traveling a tidal river? Is it seeing an iconic white spire in the center of Market Square? Is it navigating an outdoor museum full of 300-year-old history with a map and a friend? Is it finding your way to the prettiest, most hidden, truly inspiring parts of the city? Well, pack up your suitcase as we slide you the key. Discover our favorite boutiques down quaint alleyways. Travel hand in hand and toast to adventure on our culinary coastline. What gives you a sense of Portsmouth, New Hampshire? You're invited. Come find out.